Hello there. In this video, I'll show you where to find the tow hooks on a Nissan Micra K11 and chuck in a couple of safety tips to reduce the chance of something going horribly wrong. Welcome to a cautious CarSpyTV. Now, the Micra K11 has two tow hooks. There's one at the front and, you guessed it, one at the back. To find the rear hook, we need to look behind this bumper skin, low down in the centre of the car, about there. So in we go, and there it is. Now, as the Micra K11 is an old car, check now that the hook is in decent condition and capable of doing its job. If it's rusty, full of holes and hanging off, well, I wouldn't rush to attach a tow line. Now, the hook on my particular car, as we can see, has some surface corrosion, but overall it is in decent nick, and I don't think that's likely to fail in use. Also, Nissan makes clear in the owner's manual that the tow hook is under tremendous force when in use, and it says always pull the cable straight out. In other words, like this. It adds, and I quote, "Never, in block capitals and bold, pull on the hook at a sideways angle." So this is no use. This is no use. Only pull straight. Come on. Come on. The owner's manual also says that the rear tow hook is only for freeing the car if it's stuck in sand, snow, mud or something like that. In other words, it's suitable if you need to drag the car a very short distance back onto solid ground, 20 feet for example. In contrast, if you need to tow the car any further, you shouldn't rely solely on the rear tow hook. Good news now. The front tow hook is even easier to find. It is just down there. And of course, as with the rear, make sure the hook is in good condition before you use it. Once you've attached your line, only pull straight, never to the side, and only rely on the hook briefly. And if you're wondering, by the way, yes, this is a bungee cord, not a proper tow line, but we're only using it today for illustrative purposes. I've never actually had to tow this car anywhere. Probably shouldn't have said that. Tempting fate. Now, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time, possibly with a genuine tow line. Bye-bye.